Hello everyone, in this training video, we are going to discuss the matrix multiplication using array. Also, we will discuss the various rules when we perform the matrix multiplication. Then we will discuss how to write the code on the matrix multiplication. So, watch this video completely so that you can understand each and everything in the matrix multiplication. Here myself, Professor Gopal Patil. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you first time visit this channel, then do subscribe and share the channel. Now let us start with the matrix multiplication. This is the two-dimensional array which consists of number of rows and columns. So the size is 3 by 3, 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Two matrices, matrix A of size 3 by 3, matrix B of size 3 by 3. So the first rule is number of row is equal to number of column. So whenever there is a number of row is equal to number of column, then matrix multiplication is possible. The second rule is number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. So number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. We will see with the help of example. Let us say the example is these are the two matrices. Let's say this is of size 3 by 2, 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns, and the second matrix is of size 3 by 3. Now 3 number of rows 0, 1, 2 and 2 number of columns 0, 1. Elements are let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to multiply with this matrix. And 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns in the second matrix. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the respective row. Now we have to perform matrix multiplication. In the matrix multiplication, first row is will completely multiply with the first column, and then the resultant value will be stored. Here we can multiply 1 with 1. That is 1. Result will be added in the next multiplication. 2 into 4, 8. That is 9. Then how to multiply this 7? There is no element to multiply this 7. So this particular matrix cannot be multiplied. So the number of column in the first matrix, that is 2, is not equal to number of row in the second matrix. So if it is not equal, then it is not possible to perform the matrix multiplication. So if you follow these two rules, then we can perform the matrix multiplication. In the first rule, size of matrix should be same. And the second rule, the number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. If these two rules are true, then multiplication is possible. Now we will see the details of multiplication. Now let us start with the matrix multiplication. Stepwise, I will explain that how to perform the matrix multiplication and how to write the code for the matrix multiplication. Step number 1 is that number of row and the number of column. For this particular example, I will take this two matrices to perform the multiplication. So 3 number of rows, 3 number of columns. So I will take the size of matrices 3 by 3 for both the matrices. So if I say this is R1 C1, then size is 3 3, R2 C2, then it is 3 3. So generally I write R and C, which is 3 3. Second step, we require 3 matrices. Matrix A of size 3 by 3, matrix B of size 3 by 3, matrix C of size 3 by 3, which is resultant matrix. We require a variable, that is I, J and K, to scan the index. I is to be scanned the row and J is to be scanned the column, and K is the one more variable which is required for a multiplication. Next step, I have to read both the matrices from the user. So I have to read the data and store it inside the matrix. So we will read A and B matrix from the user. The detailed coding of this matrix to read the element from the user, you just click on the I button and you will find the code to read the matrices. Next step is now perform the actual multiplication. Here I write the resultant matrix C, which is of same size. The multiplication is performed first row with the first column. The first row is here completely multiplied with the first column, and then the result will be stored at the first index in the resultant matrix. For example, this is my resultant matrix of size 3 by 3. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So when we perform the first index calculation, that time we want to store the result in, here right, we want to store the result in C of 0, 0. So I have to multiply A of 0, 0 into B of 0, 0. A of 0, 1 with B of 1, 0. So here I write in the proper way, A of 0, 0 is get multiplied with B of 0, 0 plus next term will be added, that is A of 0, 1 is get multiplied with B of 1, 0. A of 0, 2 is get multiplied with B of 2, 0, and then whole result will be stored into the first index of resultant matrix, that is C of 0, 0. Now coming towards the discussion of these indices, index of I and J, I is for row and J is for column. I is for row, J is for column. If you observe the indices, the ith index is constant in the first matrix and J index is constant in the second matrix. So that indices are not changed, but one of the indices get changed. So J index is changed in the first matrix and I index is changed in the second matrix. So that things we have to keep in mind, and then we have to perform the multiplication. Now we will start to get the value into C of 0, 0. So how does multiplication store the value? A of 1, 0, 0 is 1 into 1 is 1 plus A of 0, 1 into B of 0, 1. So 1 into 1 is get 1 plus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3 into 7 is 21. So 21 plus 1 plus 8. So 30 is the resultant value that we want to store in the. Coming towards the next step of matrix multiplication. So now we will start with the first for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than number of row, I plus plus. Second for loop for J equal to 0, J is less than number of column, J plus plus. Perform the matrix multiplication. As we have told you that first row is multiplied with the first column, so that we will get the resultant value in the first location. Next thing is that I will write, why will equal this K of I equal to 0? Because the resultant value is multiplication of 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 7. So we have to preserve the previous multiplication value and then we have to store into the resultant C of 0, 0. So C of 0, 0 is nothing but multiplication of A of 0, 0 into B of 0, 0, A of 0, 1 into B of 1, 0 plus A of 0, 2 is multiplied with B of 2, 0. So this complete resultant value will be stored into C of 0, 0. So this result will be added in the next result, this result will be added into the next result. So we have to continuously record C of 0, 0. So initially we consider 0. If you observe this value, I is constant in the first index and J is constant in the second index. So one of the index is not constant, so we require one more loop for K equal to 0. K is less than number of column K plus plus, and then we will write this multiplication in terms of subscript. So it will be right C of ij plus equal to C of ij plus is equal to A of ij. I is the index which will not be changed, K is the index which will be changed, into B of kg. So what will happen? The first index is going to be changed, but the second index is constant. So this multiplication will gives you the result in the resultant matrix. This inner loop completes, then this inner loop completes, and this inner loop is here complete. So this is the code for the matrix multiplication. Now we will see the execution of this code. Initially, I equal to 0. Condition is true. I is less than number of rows 3. So 0 is less than 3. Condition is true. It enter inside it. J is 0. J is less than 3. Condition is true. So value of I, value of j, value of k. Now value of I is 0. Value of j is 0. Then C of ij equal to 0. So C of 0, 0 is equal to, next variable is k equal to 0. So here I write k equal to 0. K is less than 3. Yes. When k is less than 3, it comes inside it. C of ij equal to C of ij plus. What is C of ij? Is equal to 0. 0 plus A of ik. What is the value of I? That is 0. K is 0. 0. A of 0, 0 is 1. Is multiplied with B of kj. A is 0. J is 0. So 0, 0 is get multiplied with the second matrix 1 into 1. So the whole result will be presented into C of 0, 0. So now this value is now replaced with 1. Inner loop complete execute and then outer loop execute. So again k is increment only. So k is now increment by 1. So k is increment by 1 and execute again C of ij. What is the previous value of C of ij? That is 1 plus A of I. I is constant, J is constant, only k is changed. So I is 0, J is 0. K is now 1. Now A of 0, 1, that is 2, and B of 1, 0, that is 4. So 2 into 4 is get multiplied, and the resultant value 9 is being stored into C of 0, 0. Again, value of k is increment. K is equal to 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes. It again execute this part. Previous value of C of 0, 0 is now 9. 9 plus I is constant, J is constant. Only k change. So A of 0, 2 into B of 2, 0. So A of 0, 2 is 3 and B of 0, 2, 0 is 7. So 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So 3 into 7 is 21 plus 9 is 30. So result 30 is been stored into C of 0, 0. Again k is incremented by 1, that is 3. 3 is not less than 3, the condition is terminated. Once the condition is terminated, we can store the result into C of 0, 0. So 30 is going to be preserved into C of 0, 0. The same process is repeated for all the indices. So now again, it goes to the upper loop. This inner complete, then goes to the outer loop. Only value of j is changed. Still I is constant. And again, it start from 1. Again 0, k is 0, j is 1, I is 0. So I is 0, j is 1, and again k start from 0. So it again execute 0, 1 and 2. So the same condition we have to input for all the elements. So this loop will execute how many times? 9 times. So that we will get the result. This two loop will execute 9 times, and this nothing but the total number of multiplications. How many times they will get multiplied? So 9 into 3, 27 times this loop is going to be executed. So in this way, we can perform the matrix multiplication and we get the resultant value in the multiplication. So I am not going to perform all the operations. The same operation will be carried out for the next elements. So still, if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. So I will give more explanation on this particular subject. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and share the channel. Thank you so much.